Hi everyone, it's Robin. Welcome back to the nest. In order to try and be in compliance with COPA, I'm now asking all children who are hearing this announcement to please turn this channel off now. This content is not intended for you. Thank you. So I wanted to show you all that I made another one of these little 6 compartment boxes, and I was getting ready to pack it up to ship it out, but I thought that I would show you what it looked like. I am almost completely finished with the snow and cocoa paper. Yay! This takes 7 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and then there's some remnants left over to where you can make some cards or something with it afterwards. But I love these little things. They are so much fun and they don't take long at all. So I'll just kind of show you how I decorated the front of it here. I put some more of the fur on there and just layered it up, and I punched out a little heart, if you can see that, to put right in the center of the snowflake. And so yeah, this is what this one looks like. And on this one, I didn't do it on the other one because I've already packaged it up, but I did add the little flat back pearls to the bottom, so it has some little feet, and I do like that a lot better. So I'll show you what the inside of this one looks like. It just rolls out like this, and I decorated the inside of it just a tad bit different. I didn't add the little doilies. I just used up some more of my ephemera, and as well as used some of the gold washi tape that goes with the collection. And so it is filled and ready to go out, and I'm hoping to get to the post office today to get all these all this happy mail out. So I did want to share that with you. And then I also want to share an order that I got from scrapbook.com, and I'm so excited about it. Sorry for the crinkling. I have to take everything out of the box. So not out of the box, out of the bag. So I had never here I go with these old scissors again. I've never had any of these Nuvo drops, and scrapbook.com had them on sale last week or the week before, so I'm wanting to try them. I'm really excited about it. So I got them in that color, and then in this pretty color. Oh, I just love it. This is, where do I find the color on it? I don't know. Where do I find them? These are called crystal drops, and these are called jewel drops. But I don't know where to find the color. Oh, this is called Morning Dew. And then this one is called Sea Breeze. Look how pretty. And then this one, is called Duck Egg Blue, and it looks kind of gray to me, but they're crystal drops too, so I don't know what the difference is between crystal drops and jewel drops, but I'm still excited to try those. And then the day that I did this, they had a thing where you got something free, so I got this little squirt bottle was free, and that will come in handy when you're doing mixed media. And then I picked up another adhesive eraser, and I also my other free gift was a free oxide ink pad, but and you didn't get to choose which color you received. They just picked for you. Well, it turned out that I already had the color that that they were giving away, so I've already put it in a Happy Mail to go out. The next thing that I picked up was their chipboard. And I bought black and then just the regular. This is the first time I've ever bought chipboard from them. Their black chipboard is like super thick. I mean, this is as thick as like frame matting, and I have used that before. A lot of times when Michaels will have their, if I want black, when they have their matte board for, you know, framing pictures on sale, I will buy that and use it as my chipboard. But this right here is super flimsy. Look at that. I mean, well, you can't see, can you? Look. I mean, it's like really disappointed in that. It isn't any thicker than cereal boxes. So I hate that I spent money on that. And then this black, Lord have mercy, I don't know that my cutter will even cut that. So anyway, but the most important thing that I'm super excited about is I had gotten an email, a notification from scrapbook.com saying that this was back in stock, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta go there now, which is why I went. I just picked these up while I was there, but here it comes. Da-da-da! The hole punch, the Memory Dex hole punch. So I can make Memory Dex cards now. I'm so excited. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you all. I'm going to get back to packing a few more things up. I just had to share this with you. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday and that you're making something pretty. Talk to you later. Bye.